A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start 16th lecture of chapter 13 probability. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed the probability distribution. Now in today's lecture also I will discuss the questions related to probability distributions. So see the example. Now question is, find the mean, variance, find the mean and variance of the mean means mu, variance sigma square, symbolic representation for the following probability distribution. Probability distribution. Now this is the probability distribution table given. This is random variable and this is their corresponding probabilities. So now 0, 1, 2, 3 and the probability is 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. Now see, this is given probability distribution and we have to calculate mean. We have to calculate the mean. Now see the solution. Solution is, suppose you have given probability distribution and mean of random variable x, that is mu. Mu is equal to, you know the formula is sigma pi xi or xi pi. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n pi xi. So this one we can write pi xi and xi pi, both are same. So this result will be p1x or px1, or we can write x1 p1 plus x2 time p of x2 plus x3 time p of x3 plus x4 time p of x4. Now see, now we have to put its value. So mu is equal to pi xi means p1 x1, this is 0 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 8. Now when you will simplify, so what you will get the result? Result you will get 3 by 8 plus 6 by 8 plus 3 by 8. 3 by 8 plus 6 by 8 plus 3 by 8 whole upon 8. Now its answer will be 12 by 8, and 12 by 8 in reduced form 3 by 4, 3 by 2. So 12 by 8 means from the table of 4 this will cancel out. So 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. Now this is the answer. Now see, this is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is, and in this question also we have to find out variance also. So in case of variance, not question number 2, first of all we have to solve its variance. So variance formula you know, variance of x is equal to, and this is the symbolic representation, sigma square. So what is its formula? Formula you know, sigma pi xi square, sigma pi xi square I is equal to 1 to n minus mu square. This is mean C, and minus x bar, and its result is you know, that is 3 by 2. So pi xi means 0, 1, 2, 3, it is given, and probability is also given. So what will be its result? What will be its result? So variance of x means we can write sigma square is equal to x1 square p of x1 plus x2 square p of x2 plus x3 square p of x3 plus x4 square p of x4. This is our formula, and minus mean square. So what will be its result? x1 square is 0, so 0 square into 1 by 8, so 0 square into 1 by 8 plus 1 square into 3 by 8 plus 2 square into 3 by 8, now plus 3 square into 1 by 8 plus 3 square into 1 by 8 with negative sign, mean square, mean result I have calculated 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 whole square. Now this result will be 0, this result will be 3 by 8, and this result will be 4 3 12 by 8, and this result will be 3 square, so 9 by 8 minus 4 by 9 by 4. Now when we will calculate 12 plus 9 21 plus 3 24 by 8, result 3. So what will be its calculation? Result will be 3 minus 9 by 4, 4 3 12 minus 9, 12 minus 9, the result will be 3 by 4. See, its calculation will be 12 3 15, 15 plus 5 20, 24, 24 by 8, and now minus 9 by 4, so 25, 24 minus 8, 24 minus 18, now 24 minus 18 by 8. Now this result will be 6 by 8 means 3 by 4, and 3 by 4 is the answer. This is the calculation of for variance. Calculation for variance. See. Now suppose you have to calculate standard deviation. So what you will do? You have to take their square root. Square root of variance or positive square root of variance, that will be known as standard deviation. Now suppose in this question you have to find out a standard deviation. So you have to take only square root of or square root of 3 by 4. Result will be root 3 by 2. Now this question is completed. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, Now question number 2 is, a fair die is tossed. A fair die is tossed. Find the expect value. Expect value of x means we have to calculate mean. Question is, a fair die is tossed. Find the expected value. Expected value of x. Expected value of x, where x is the random variable. Where x is the random variable on the die. On the die, and also find its variance. And also find its variance. Now class, in this question is repeated again. So a fair die is tossed. A fair die. Find the expected value of x, and where x is the random variable. Now you know, sample space in a single roll of die, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and each of probability, that is 1 by 6, you know. So suppose now you know, first of all see the solution. When you toss a die or roll a die, then what you will get? Let x denotes the random variable on the die, and on the die you know what is the possible outcomes. So x will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the random variable. Now we have to find out mean. So mean is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi pi. Xi pi means xi p of xi, and its value will be, and you know, each probability, equally likely events, then each probability will be 1 by 6, you know. Each probability will be 1 by 6. So this one, 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 6 plus 4 into 1 by 6 plus 5 into 1 by 6 plus 6 into 1 by 6. Now its result will be 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 whole upon 6. And what will be its value? This will be 21. And 21 by 6 means result is 7 by 2. This is the mean. Now suppose you have to calculate variance. So what will be variance? Variance formula you know. Variance of x is equal to xi square p of xi minus mean square. You know, this is the formula. See, I am writing above. Note it, mean is 1 by 2, 7 by 2. So, in case of variance of x, we can write xi square means 1 square into 1 by 6 plus 2 square into 1 by 6 plus 3 square into 1 by 6 plus 4 square into 1 by 6 and plus 5 square into 1 by 6. Now plus 6 square into 1 by 6 and minus mean square. Mean square means result will be 7 by 2 whole square. Now see, now variance of x is equal to 1 by 6, 2 square by 6 means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square whole upon 6 minus 49 by 4. Now see, when you will calculate, what will be its result? Its result will be 91 by 6 and minus 7 by 3 whole square. See, this calculation is 91 by 6 minus 49 by 4. This is also 21 by 6. So, you can reduce it, result will be after calculation this will be 35 by 12. After calculation this result will be 35 by 12. So, this is the answer. Now, this question is completed. See, now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Question number 3 is, a die is thrown thrice. Or you can consider let x be a discrete random variable, capital X be a discrete random variable, and the probability distribution and the probability distribution of x is given below. This is the probability distribution table. Now this is for random variables and this is their corresponding frequencies, probabilities. So random variable is 30, 10 and a minus 10 and their probability is 1 by 5, 3 by 10 and 1 by 2. This is the given probability distribution. Now what we have to find? See, question is, let x be a discrete random variables and the probability distribution of x is given by 30, 10, minus 10 random variable and their corresponding frequencies, probabilities is 1 by 5, 3 by 10 and 1 by 2. Now suppose we have to calculate expectation of x. So expectation of x, expected value, suppose, then find mean, and mean is also known as expected value. So see the solution. The mean of random variable x, that is E of x is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi pi. Now its result will be 30 into means x1 p1 plus x2 p2 plus x3 p3. Now Ex result will be x1 means 30 with 1 by 5 plus 10 into 3 by 10 plus minus 10 into 1 by 2. So 35 result will be 6 plus result will be 3 and this result will be minus 5. So overall calculation will be 4. See, means mean of random variable or mean of the probability distribution is 4. See, now this is the answer. Now mean is 4. Now suppose you have to find out variance. So what will be variance? In case of variance, see, in case of variance, variance of x we can write xi square into pi. with sigma I is equal to 1 to n minus mean square. Now this one will be 30 square, this is 900 by 5, now plus 10 square 100 means this will be 300 by 10, and this will be minus 10 whole square means 100 with by 2 minus mean is 4, so 4 square will be here. Now what will be the result? Result will be 1300 by, or first of all you have to take the LCM, so LCM will be 10. Now this will be 1800 plus 300 plus 500 minus 16. Now calculation, 18 5 23 and 23 plus 2 300 2600. 2600 by 10 260. This implies result will be 260 minus 16, result will be 244. Now 244 is the variance. See, 244 is the variance. So variance of x we can write 244, and mean, you know, mean I have calculated that result is 4. See again. Now suppose you have to calculate standard deviation. So standard deviation is the positive square root of variance, so will be root over 244. Now this is the answer. See. Now this is completed. Now in the next lecture I will discuss the Bernoulli's theory or questions related to Bernoulli's theory. So see.